Okay, hello guys. Let's correct the worksheet. I had a of x equal to x minus 1 x plus 3 minus 2 x plus 3 squared. I need to develop and reduce. So a of x equals to develop and reduce mean I need to expand. So it is 2x squared plus 6x minus x minus 3 minus 2 x plus 3 squared is x squared plus 2 times x times 3 is 6x plus 9. So it is equal to 2x squared plus 6x minus 3 minus 2x squared minus 12x minus 18. Now 2x squared minus 2x squared is 0. 6x minus 12x is minus 6x minus x. 6x minus x is 5x minus 12x is minus 7x, and minus 3 minus 18 is minus 21. So I'm done expanding. Now part B was find a of 1 and a of minus 2. So a of 1, I replace x by 1. So it is minus 7 minus 21 equal to minus 28. And a of 2, I replace x by 2. So minus 7 minus 21 is minus 14 minus 21 equals to minus 35. Now part C, factorize a of x. So I take x plus 3 as a common factor, open brackets, 2x minus 1 minus 2 x plus 3 squared divided by x plus 3 is x plus 3. Expand inside the brackets, x plus 3, 2x minus 2x, 0 minus 6 minus 1 is minus 7. So it is equal to minus 7 x plus 3. Now I need part D to solve a of x equals to 0. So a of x equal to minus 7 x plus 3. I need to solve it equals to 0. So a of x equals to 0 minus 7 x plus 3 equal to 0. I only take x plus 3 equal to 0, and it is x equal to minus 3. One solution, x equals minus 3. Now in today's lesson I'm going to solve some exercises as a practice. Number 1, solve the following. 2x minus 3x minus 2 equals 5x minus 2. Now I don't know how to solve this equation. I only know how to solve an equation that is equal to 0. So what I do is I take everything to one side and equal to 0, meaning 2x minus 3 x minus 2, and I take 5x minus 2 to this side. It becomes minus 5 x minus 2 equal to 0. Now I can solve it by factorizing it. X minus 2 common factor, 2x minus 3 minus 5 equals to 0. X minus 2, 2x minus 3 minus 5 equals to 0. So x minus 2, 2x minus 8 equals to 0. I can take 2 as a common factor between 2 and 8. So 2x minus 2, 2x divided by 2 is x, minus 8 divided by 2 is 4 equal to 0. Now I can solve it, this equal to 0, by taking either x minus 2 equal to 0 or x minus 4 equal to 0. So either x minus 2 equal to 0 or x minus 4 equals to 0. So x equals to 2 or x equals to 4. Now number 2, solve. As number 1, I make an equation equal to 0. So I take minus 3x plus 5 squared, it becomes plus 3x plus 5 squared equal to 0. Now I factorize. X plus 5 is a common factor. I'm left with 2x plus 1 plus 3. X plus 5 squared divided by x plus 5 is x plus 5 equal to x plus 5, 2x plus 1 plus 3x plus 15 equals to 0. So x plus 5, 2x plus 3x is 5x, plus 1 plus 15 is plus 16 equal to 0. Now I take x plus 5 or 5x plus 16 equals to 0. So x plus 5 equal to 0. So x equals minus 5 or 5x plus 16 equals to 0. 5x equals to minus 16. X equal to minus 16 over 5. Now for exercise 3, x minus 2x plus 3 equal x squared minus 4x plus 4. So first, I take all my terms to one side. So it is minus x squared becomes minus x squared minus 4x plus 4x minus 4 equal to 0. Okay. Now I try to factorize my equation. So I have the first and the third term negative, so I need to take minus as a common factor. I'm left with x squared minus 4x plus 4. If I take minus as a common factor, equal to 0. X minus 2, x plus 3 minus, this is a perfect square, so I radical the first term, radical the third term, and I take the sign of the second term, which is minus, and I squared it, equal 0. Now I take a common factor, x minus 2. I'm left with x plus 3 minus x minus 2 squared divided by x minus 2 is x minus 2, which is x equals 0. X minus 2, x plus 3 minus x plus 2 equals to 0. So x minus 2, x minus x, they cancel. I'm left with 5 equal to 0. So now I'm left with 5, x minus 2 equals to 0. So I take x minus 2 equals to 0. X equals 2. Since 5 is a number, so 5 times 0 equals 0. So x minus 2 should be equal to 0 and x equals to 2. For the final exercise, I have solve 2x minus 1 squared equals to x plus 3 squared. How to solve it? I take all my terms to one side and I make it equal to 0. So 2x minus 1 squared minus x plus 3 squared equal to 0. Now I need to factorize. Since I'm solving an equation equals to 0, I need to factorize. This is difference of two squares. So I take the radical of the first term, 2x minus 1 squared, I radical it, it becomes 2x minus 1 without the square. And same for x plus 3 squared, it becomes x plus 3. I take it one time as minus, and the other time I take them as plus. Now I expand inside the brackets, so 2x minus 1 minus x minus 3, and 2x minus 1 plus x plus 3 equal to 0. 2x minus x is x, minus 1 minus 3 is minus 4, and 2x plus x is 3x, minus 1 plus 3 is plus 2 equal to 0. Now I solve each one equals to 0. So x minus 4 equals 0, or 3x plus 2 equals to 0. For the first one I have x equals to 4. I take minus 4 to the next side, plus 4. Now 3x equals minus 2. X equals to minus 2 over 3, and I'm done.